Hey there, it's the morning of a new day, and today we have to get the beaded frames put together. So I'm going to work on that this morning. We're going to get drawer fronts, we're going to get doors, and get things ready to go together. So tomorrow afternoon we can deliver this kitchen to install it before our template date of Friday, and today is Wednesday. So we're getting down to the wire. The one kitchen went in yesterday, which was great. The countertops being made, I can show a little bit of that. And then I also have to run to put the last door on the kitchen we put in on Monday. So we're scrambling to get things put together, and we're hopefully going to get it all done this week. See you in the shop. Okay, I just got done building this frame here. What we got to do is we got to put these beads in, which is what I made yesterday. You can see it there. This is ready to sand and paint. I'll show you how I made it. I have 9 more to go. Here's the plan we're working on. I just built this frame here. I got here the door paintwork for the beaded inset job. We're going to be going through it here. This is the size of the door. This gives you the rail and the style dimension and the panel size for each door. So we're going to go through and get these cut out together. That's all of them. Now that we got that done, we're going to coat the ends of the rails here, which is cutting this profile into the end so that they fit together like that. We're going through that door right there. So the question is whether to go over the railing or around the post. I'm thinking we're going
between the spindles.
Let's knock out some spindles. That's a great idea.
I don't think the spindles will allow the sink to go through.
That's what he does. We're gonna knock them out.
I don't know if they'd like that.
All right, guys, we just got done with this natural hickory kitchen here. We got this fancy wainscot panel with a counter to sit at to eat at in the front, and then your counter on top that goes around your stove. We got some receptacles here to plug your phone and charge your things on. Another receptacle on the side to plug in like a coffee maker or anything you'd want to there. Spice pole. It's got some normal drawers here. Pretty sure there's a tray base in here. Yep, tray base. It's a really nice kitchen. Natural hickory is one of my favorites. Got a garbage can pole. And this place also has a drawer you can put things for a mixer lift. You can put your utensils in there. Then above it is the actual mixer lift. You just pull it out. It locks in. Won't go anywhere. And then you got 2 tabs you got to pull at the same time. Pull down on both tabs. Goes right back down. Slides back in. Wait till it hits the back. Boom. You're good to go. That's really it. Pretty easy. Took about a day and a half to get this all put in. Did the counters, acrylic countertop, solid surface.
All right, guys. It's 5:30 here. We're pulling into our third job site for a counter install for the week. We're barely gonna make it, squeaking in. Luckily, it's a family member of ours, so he's gonna be there. We're gonna watch a Penn State football game and put the cabinets in. It'll be a good time.
Hopefully our above didn't drop on like $20,000.
Well, that, when they put the granite on there, it's gonna be heavy, and they're gonna shove it.
Oh, yeah.
Cabinets, so.
Yeah, you need an anchor.
They have a cart that the granite sits on that hydraulically levels out, lifts it up and down, and
Seriously?
they just slide it off. Yeah, they'll put it on the cart and get it up on your porch, and wheel it right in here, and then they'll just have it tip up and slide it across.
Pretty cool. You need to be
It's
here
not
for
gonna be an expensive thing.
I don't know if I'll be here,
It's pretty.
It's cool.
pretty neat to
It's
see.
a little lot.
but it turns probably a 6-man job into.
Two.
They only got
One guy wants to look
they only got 2 guys on the silver ring.
Yeah. You can put the garbage can bags in there, use it. You want to take, before we anchor this too much more, run a laser level here and put a laser line across, make sure the back is straight.
Sure. I don't know what. I guess we should try to do a decent job for him.
Family, you know.
Yeah.
Looking better. It's looking like a kitchen.
It's getting there. Maybe get through our paperwork and mark down everything we need to make sure we bring back, like the door and door fronts.
The wall cabinets will definitely take longer now.
Why is that? Oh, install
Yeah,
them?
we usually hang them first.
We usually hang those first.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So on the wall cabinets, we're gonna do
Hood,
the hood there.
the microwave attached. Then a wall cabinet here. One there.
So just as far as the back.
Regular clear glass.
Regular clear glass, not too fancy.